Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? I hope you are doing very well. Welcome to my class. Today my topic of English is phrases. We will read the phrases with sound. Let's start. Cat, 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 on, cat on, a at mat, at mat, cat on a mat, cat on a mat, cat on a mat. The next one is at rat, at rat. आई की साउंड होती है ई, in, a hat, hat, rat in a hat, rat in a hat. Read these phrases with sound, and your homework is draw a picture of these phrases on the given space and read it with sound. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.